Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going into the kitchen, yes. And my sister is doing breakfast. Yes. Okay, today she'll be doing the biscuits and chicken wings. Yes. So, since we're using we're doing the air, she's doing using the air fryer, the Instapot air fryer lid. Oh my God. I love the air fryer. Yeah, the Instapot air fryer lid. Guys, you need to get one. Yes. I love mine. My son gave it for me got it for me for, it's a Mother's Day gift. I think it was a Mother's Day gift. And I love it. I am taking advantage of her doing breakfast and showing you guys how to use the lid, because a lot of people do have them and they're scared to use them. I don't know why. They show you guys, well, my sister will be showing you guys how to use it, while I'm going to be benefit off that by eating the wings. Yes, the chicken wings. I'm recording her doing breakfast. Yes. We're doing some chicken wings, air fried chicken wings in the Instapot air fryer. Well, Instapot, we'll use the Instapot air fryer lid. Yes, air fried chicken wings. Sounds delicious, right? Yeah. Let's go into the kitchen, guys, and do some recording. And hopefully we get to taste some. Well, I get to taste some. I get to eat some. Alright. I'll be nice to you guys. Let's go into the kitchen. Alright.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm doing some air fryer chicken wings because we're having chicken and fried chicken and biscuits for breakfast. Here's my chicken. I have seasoned it with all the usual misfits. I'm going to put the drumette parts of these chicken on the bottom. As you can see, I had already fried a little bit down there because we were testing to make sure it had enough salt. And yes, it did. Just me, it did. The drumettes will take a bit longer, but it doesn't take long in the air fryer. One more second and I'll put 4 pieces down here. I could put more, but I prefer to keep it in one layer. It's better to keep it in one layer. They'll cook better. And put more on here on the top part as opposed to the bottom, because the flats will cook faster. So the drumette piece will take a bit longer, but I can put as many up here as long as I don't crowd the pan. And then I'll add the air fryer top in a second. You'll see. Try not to let them touch too much, because you want the air fryer heat to go in between as best they possibly can. Oh, look, I can turn this one there, because this will shrink a bit when it starts cooking. Okay, so now I am going to take the Instapot air fryer top. And please remember, when you're using the Instapot air fryer, you want to make sure that your pot is not plugged in. Do not plug this in and this together. So I had preheated this to 375 degrees for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to start this, and I'm just going to press air fryer. And as you can see, I had already set my temperature. So I'm going to lower it back again down to 375. And I'm going to increase the temperature to 12 minutes because I have drumettes down there. It will tell me when to turn it. And that's that. And then I will bring you guys back again when we start. It went off on itself because I didn't press start fast enough. One of us have issues and it's not me.
Okay. You cook it at 400?
375?
No, it
Was it at 400?
yeah.
Oh, okay. So cancel. Sorry, cancel. Okay, so air fryer. Oh no, I'm glad you saw that, because in my head I saw 375. Okay, so this is what you want to start out with. You can lower your temperature if you want to, but you'll have to cook your wings for a bit longer. So I prefer to start again. If I don't stop talking, it will cook actually. If we only would start. There we are. Okay, and start. Okay, so it's gonna warm up because I had already preheated. It will warm up to the 375 temperature again, and then it will start clocking the time when it gets to that temperature. You'll see in a few seconds. But as you can see, the air fryer is selected. See, none of the lights are on for any of the others. So the little air fryer light is selected when you're doing air frying. But you can also do all of the other good stuff like it says there. You should try to dehydrate. And there it goes. So it's already now at the 375 temperature. So it's going to cook for 12 minutes. Actually, it's going to cook for probably about 6 minutes. And then it will tell me to turn the food. And at that point, I'm not going to turn it because I want it to go for 12 minutes on that one side, because then I'll turn it at the end of the 12 minutes and start again for another on 375 for another 12 minutes on the other side. So to get past that turn food light, you just keep pressing start like maybe twice, and it will stop telling you to turn the food and continue the clock. Okay guys, so now you see it's telling me to turn the food, but I didn't turn it, so it automatically just went to continue to cook because I didn't want to turn the food. So unless it sees that the lid is off, then it will stop itself, and then when you set the lid back on, it will do its business again. 12 minutes continues from this 6-minute countdown.
Okay, guys, the air fryer lid, you can purchase it from Amazon or anywhere online. If I find it, I'm gonna link it to the bottom. Link the website that I got it, that my son got it from. It was a gift from my son. Thank you. So I will link it if you guys want to purchase the Instapot air fryer lid in the description below.
Alright you guys, as you can see, it now says end cool. So it's at its countdown. It's already finished its countdown, and now I'm just going to literally lift the lid and put it on the lid holder. There's a lid holder because the bottom of that lid is really hot. So you're provided a lid holder in your box. So you literally just take the lid off and set it on that holder. Make sure it's on the holder. If you set it on anything else, trust me when I say it will burn. That thing is really hot. So now I'm just going to turn these, and they're not quite done yet, as you can see. I'll turn these once, and then when I'm ready to turn them again, I will let you know. You will see how really delicious this is going to be. And it's going to be golden brown and oh, very delicious. So I'm not going to flip the other ones on the bottom, the drumette pieces on the bottom, because those still have a ways to go. A little bit more. I will cook them a little bit more because they're fat. And just one more piece of information. We had brined the chicken wings before we put them in, and you have to dry it off because wetness is the enemy of crispiness. So now again, you literally just need to press cancel, start, air fryer, and then you're back to where you are, and then you press start again, and now it's gonna take it back up to the temperature again. Since I had just opened it, it'll take it back up to 375, and then it's going to start its countdown again for the next 12 minutes, and then I will, there you go, and then I will turn it one last time and increase the temperature so that it can crisp.
Oh guys, I'm enjoying having my sister here. She does breakfast. Best thing ever. No, I'm not sharing my sister with nobody. Thank you very much. I'll keep her for this time.
I'm sure they will send me back anyways.
They sure will. So let's avoid all that.
Me as a return to sender. Alright guys, so it was beeping a few seconds ago at the halfway mark. I'm saying to turn the food, but I didn't want to turn it again. I wanted to go let it go continuously straight through to the 12 minutes because I can smell it. This is where smell-o-vision would have come in really handy for you. But you gotta trust me on this one. And since I know you trust me, I'll show you when when I'm ready to turn it again or put it on the crisp it up. Yeah, say that fast, please. Okay, so our second 12 minutes is done. So let's see what we got. What do you think, you guys? I think they're fabulous. What do you think? So I am going to now flip these over, and this time I will only put them for 6 minutes. I need to lift up this the separator piece so that I can turn the drumettes on the bottom. Woo! Look.
That's a runaway bird.
And just remember that this middle piece is pretty hot. Please be careful with that, okay? And there is our drumettes. And as you can see, take a look. You can see that it's already, the liquids inside is not running red anymore. So you know the inside of that is already cooked. So what I'm going to do is I will flip these for now. I'm just going to flip them slightly because what I'm going to do is I'll put them on top when I take those other ones out. I'll just switch these on top and let them brown. So they're as you can see, they're already nice and brown. Already starting.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, we just got to make sure that you cook these completely well. And the best way that I can tell is to make sure that those juices that are coming out is not red. This is not too hot, but once the air fryer is completely done, you gotta please do not touch that with your bare hands. So this goes back in, and I'll put it in for probably about 6 minutes more just to brown it on this side, and then I'll flip them after that 6 minutes and then crisp them. And when you crisp, then you're just gonna put it for 6 minutes on 400. I'm gonna drop this thing one more time. Okay, so I will put this back in. And no, this is not going to dry out the chicken wings because, like I said, we brine them. But if you did not brine your chicken, please don't do that. Just do your complete 12 on one and 12 on the other, or 10 and 10, depending on how crispy you want yours. Okay, so now I'm going to press the air fryer again, and I'm going to lower my amount of time because I only want it for 6 minutes.
You sure you don't want to be an instructor?
I am an instructor. I teach nursing.
You could do culinary while you're at it with all your gadgets.
Yes, I could be a gadget instructor.
No comments on that.
Okay, guys, so we're counting down on our last minute for the last 6 minutes that I had turned it over. So now I'm going to crisp it after this because I like my wings crispy wings and my biscuits are done. Why did I all of a sudden develop a country accent?
I have no idea.
But I really like biscuits. I love biscuits. Chicken and biscuits.
Where are the girls?
Oh,
Bree, Caitlin.
It's a thought that counts, sweetheart, in this case. Okay. As you can see, that's the color I wanted for the second side. So now I'm really going to just crisp.
God, I look good.
So you can see how wonderful this is going to be once it's all nice and crispy. And if you like my little thong that I have here, I got it in the Dollar Tree. They have all different colors.
And that's one of my favorite colors.
This is my sister's, as you can tell. It's a thing. Okay, so now it goes back for 6 more minutes. You will know when the lid is on, it will sing at you. Okay, so I'm going to set it back for 6 minutes, and I'm going to increase my temperature. Oh, next side. Increase my temperature to 400 for 6 minutes, and then it will be all done, and we can eat. It's going to switch over to the temperature and the time in a few seconds. it's coming up to temp. As I said it, remember I changed it from 375 to 400, so it's bringing it up to temp. It smells so good. There you go. Now it has switched from, it's come up to temperature, so now it's showing you, it's going to start the countdown from its 6 minutes temp at 400 until it finishes, and then it will be all done and we can all eat. Well, technically, we can eat. I will think about you while I'm eating.
Whoa.
Sometimes it's a thought that counts. Less calories on your waistline. All right, guys. We're in our final minute countdown. 11, 10, 9. Sorry, I couldn't resist that. Okay, it is all done. And there we are, nice and crispy. Listen.
And my biscuit is ready. That's for you.
Oh, gee. Guess your mother ain't getting none. Atta girl.
Yeah.
I'm going to flip these other ones.
Yeah. I think I could put those on the top now.
Up here, as you can see, they're already starting to thing. I'm just gonna put these off to the side for now because I'm gonna put some more in the bottom, and I'll put these up top to crisp. Okay, and that's that. So this is what the breakfast is going to look like. Okay, so I put the other set of drumettes on the bottom, and then I'm now going to set these other ones on the top to crisp. So I'll just crisp these up. Oh, those look so good already. Okay, so now I will set the lid back on, and this will go on crisp again, 400 degrees for, and that's when you know the lid is on properly, because you will hear that little jingle. Okay, 6 minutes at 400 degrees starting now. So it will come up to temperature again, because of course I had the lid off a few minutes ago, so it's gonna come back up to temp, and then it will start its countdown. Okay, we got 3 seconds, 2, 1. All right, you guys, the drumettes should be good, and if I do say so myself, they're absolutely beautifully stunning. That was just my accent, by the way. I have a tendency to do accents. Okay, you guys, as you can see, these drumettes are absolutely beautiful, and they're good and ready to go. So as you can see, these are nice and ready, and they pull apart from the bone, as you can see right there. If you try this, let me know. And one of the things I forgot to say was that when you use that air fryer lid with your Instapot, you need to use the stainless steel pot liner, because the non-stick is not good, because you're gonna have to heat it up at a high temperature. So they recommend, and they actually stress, that you use the stainless steel pot liner with your air fryer lid. And again, just a reminder, you never connect the pot when you're using the air fryer lid. Only the air fryer lid will be connected. And again, if you try it, tag my sister and let her know.
Well, I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm going to tag you guys on this one, but you can tag me. Okay, guys, I will leave as much link as I can find in the description below of everything that we used today. If it's your first time coming across my video, welcome. And I hope you become a part of the family. Yes. And for my regular viewers, thank you very much. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And yes, guys, the chicken wings and the breakfast. Yes. Thanks, Chair, for a wonderful breakfast. Oh, we enjoyed that breakfast. Ooh, yeah. TJ stopped by and he got some also. So, as soon as the girls come and visit, yeah, we'll be doing some again. Yeah. Alright, Bree, Caitlin, promise you guys, you'll be in the next go round with me. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. God bless.